What is up everyone? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review this book, The Red-Haired Woman by a Turkish author, Orhan Pamuk. This book was published in 2016 and this book brings together the Greek myth of Oedipus and also the Persian myth of Shohrab and Rustam together to bring into the theme of patricide and paternal felicide. So the narrator of this book is a 16-year-old boy, Sem, and he is abandoned by his father and he is raised by his mother alone. He takes an apprenticeship under Master Mahmud of well digging. And when he is away from home on his well digging project, he sees a red-haired woman. And he gets so much attracted to this red-haired woman that he tries to find her. And finally he finds her and discovers some shocking truth and connection with this woman. So the Master Mahmud and Sem shares a beautiful relationship, and that relationship is based on mutual trust and affection and multiple storytelling evenings. Suddenly this relationship comes to an end due to some shocking and careless behavior on the part of Sem. So the entire novel is based on this small incident. Sem feels very guilty and that guilt haunts him throughout his life. Later on, he becomes a very successful businessman, a geologist, and also he marries his college sweetheart. But he is childless. And he does not have any heir to take over his company. One day he receives an email, and while he's trying to find out the identity of this stranger who sent him that email, he discovers something that changes his life forever. The book is full of unpleasant apprehension on the part of the reader. There are murders, but all these murders are set in the background of the ancient myth. So the reader continuously feels the trauma of predestination. Sem is a person who loves books very much, and his life is determined by one story he reads over and over again. Pamuk makes the red-haired woman the narrator of this book at the end. So this is one of the female voice in the paternal society or paternal decisions. So this book builds up the tension continuously, and it does not let the reader leave it for a single moment, and the story has an amazing speed. So I loved this book very much and I almost ended it in a single sitting. Okay, so for more book reviews, subscribe to my channel. Until that time, goodbye.